Welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to use the if, and or functions to categorize weather data based on logical conditions. In this example, we have weather data from different locations. The columns include location, temperature, precipitation, freezing condition, climate, and the final columns for precipitation type and conditions. Our goal is to determine two things. 1. The type of precipitation, whether it's none, rain, or snow. 2. The condition for the day, whether it's wet or dry. We'll do this by combining the if and datasets and combiners functions. Let's start by looking at how we can calculate the Bowes precipitation type using the formula in column F. Here's the formula we're using. If and D2, yes, C2 0. Snow, if and D2 no, C2 0. Rain, none. The first if statement checks if the temperature is freezing and if there's precipitation. In this case, and D2 equals yes, C2 greater than 0. Means both conditions need to be true for the result to be snow. So, if D2 is yes and C2, precipitation, is greater than 0, it returns snow. Next, the if statement checks if the temperature is not freezing and there's still precipitation. If D2 is no and C2 is greater than 0, it returns rain. Finally, if neither of these conditions is true, meaning there's no precipitation, it returns none. Now, let's take a closer look at an example. For location, the temperature is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no precipitation and it's not freezing. The formula returns none for the precipitation type because there is no precipitation. For location E, we see that it's snowing because the temperature is freezing and there's precipitation. So the formula correctly returns K. Snow in the pants, precipitation types column. Now that we have the palm precipitation type, let's move on to determining the overall conditions. Here's the formula we're using in column G to classify the weather as either wet or dry. If F2 rain, F2 snow, wet, dry. This if statement uses the or function to check if the precipitation type is either rain or snow. If either condition is true, the weather is considered wet. Otherwise, the weather is chaos dry. For location C, the precipitation type is none, so the condition will be dry. For location E, the precipitation type is snow, so the condition is wet. By combining these logical functions, Excel allows us to automatically classify weather data based on temperature and precipitation. This can save you a lot of time when working with complex datasets. To recap, we used if and to determine the precipitation type. We used if and or to determine the conditions. This powerful combination of if and or functions is great for automating logical tests in Excel. Use these functions in your own datasets to categorize and analyze data efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.